Hey guys, we're doing a guest watch battery today, and I'll just quickly show you how we take the band apart first, and then we take the back off and we install the battery. I'm also going to show you what type of mechanism it uses. So first things first, we're going to take a pin remover base. We're going to place it right in the center, and we're just going to make sure that the arrow's pointing down so we can hammer it from this side. So in this case, you can see the arrows are pointing up, so that means we have to push the pin through this side so that the pin comes out this way. If you do it the other way around, it's just going to get stuck, and you're going to have to break the link, or you're going to have to do the links right next to it. So it's always better to do it the right way and in the right direction. We're gonna use one of these pin removers, and we're gonna place it in the hole, and then we're gonna tap it gently. It comes out nice and smooth. Take the pin out, leave it somewhere safe, and now we have access to the back. Now this one is a guest watch, and the number on the back is W0601G2. And we're gonna take one of the wrenches, and then we're gonna remove the back. Don't try to do it too hard because it will scratch the back. So just as tight as possible here, from one point to the other. Alright, now I'm going to hold the watch tight, but I'm going to add more pressure, pushing it down so that it doesn't spin out of control, and then it just scratches the back. So let's just do it nice and easy, adding pressure. Not too much, you don't have to overdo it, but it will be the motion should be forcing it down so that it doesn't move. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take slowly just use the thumbs to take the back off. Alright, so this is the back. I'm going to leave it somewhere safe. Now, before you take the white casing out, make sure that you pull the stem all the way out. It adds a lot of pressure for the machine and the stem. So when you remove this, or when you move this out all the way, the pressure on the white casing, it kind of lessens. And then so what we're going to do is we're going to just slide it right out, nice and easy. Pick it up from all sides, and make sure that the machine doesn't move. If the gasket comes out, that's not a big deal, but make sure you put it back. I usually just put it right on top of the back of the watch, so that I remember to do it again. So it's simple. This one, you could use anything sharp. Just pull the battery out from the crevice right here, slightly lift it up, and it comes out. You don't have to do anything special to it, it just slides right out. And this is a 395 battery, and let me just show you what kind of mechanism it has. I think it's a Japanese mechanism, and you should be able to see it. Oh yeah, I think Guess usually uses the Epson brand, Epson, and it's a Japanese mechanism. I don't think they're super expensive, but they're good. They're cheap, but they're actually, they work pretty good. So this is a Epson model. It's a Japanese model, and it takes a 395. We're gonna take a 395. You can also take a 399 for this. Take the battery out. And it's simple. You don't have to do anything special to it. It just slides right on top. You push, and that's it. It's done. Now let's add the back on it, the plastic casing. This might give you a hard time like it is giving me, but just in case it doesn't go in, you could just slide this side first, Slide that in. You'll see like a little place where you can actually slide it in and it kind of just locks in. You do that first on this side and then push this down. So it went in smoothly. Sometimes you don't need to. The same watch could be done 2 different ways, of course. So the gasket is still on and I just made sure that it was attached to it. Otherwise, you can always take the back off, take the gasket out from the back and just place it in the area that it's supposed to be. Just tap it down a little bit, and once you have that in there, just make sure that you place the back right on top without disrupting the gasket inside, and just use your thumbs to tighten it. Keep tightening it, and it starts to get a little tighter. It gets a little harder to do, so do it as much as you can with your thumbs and use the wrench again and tighten it. Just make sure you don't scratch the back, and tighten it, holding it down, tighten it, holding it down. Alright, that's pretty tight. I don't want to overdo it, so I'm going to take the band, and this in the back there's the pin arrow pointing towards where the pin comes out from. If it's pointing up, that's exactly where the pin's gonna go back in, because when you take it out you have to push it from this side. So we're gonna take the pin and we're gonna insert it right here, just like that, right on top. And we're gonna use the base again, place right in the center and just hammer it. Make sure it's not out. Perfect. Make sure it's running. It's running. And set the right time. And that's how you do a guest watch.